Number 51. With respect to anesthesia, full form of PCA is. Option A. Personal comfort analgesia. B. Patient comfort analgesia. C. Patient controlled analgesia. D. Patient controlled anesthesia. Right option, C. Number 52. Capnography monitor is a device that measures. Option A. Concentration of inhaled carbon dioxide. B. Concentration of exhaled oxygen. C. Concentration of exhaled carbon dioxide. D. Concentration of exhaled nitrous. Right option, C. Number 53. Glasgow Coma scale has all except. Option A. Verbal response. B. Motor response. C. Sensory response. D. Eye-opening response. Right option, C. Number 54. The ideal method of opening the airway of a patient in cardiac arrest who is suspected to have cervical spine injury. Option A. Head tilt, chin lift. B. Jaw thrust. C. Abdominal thrust. D. Finger sweep. Right option, B. Number 55. Tiny air sacs in the lungs are called. Option A. Bronchus. B. Bronchioles. C. Alveoli. D. Glottis. Right option, C. Number 56. Non-invasive method of estimating arterial oxygen. Option A. ABG analysis. B. Pulse oximetry. C. Blood examination. D. Pulmonary function test. Right option, B. Number 57. Which of the following is not true regarding pulse oximeter? Option A. It is used to measure saturation in blood. B. It is used to measure saturation of all the gases in the blood. C. Sensor probe can be clipped on the finger, toe or earlobe. D. It is a very sensitive monitor. Right option, B. Number 58. What should be rate of compressions per minute while providing chest compressions in CPR? Option A. 100 to 120 per minute. B. 80 to 100 per minute. C. 120 to 140 per minute. D. 60 to 80 per minute. Right option, A. Number 59. What will be the pulse pressure for a blood pressure reading of 138ths of a millimeter of mercury? Option A. 80 millimeters of mercury. B. 50 millimeters of mercury. C. 210 millimeters of mercury. D. 130 millimeters of mercury. Right option, B. Number 60. World Anesthesia Day is celebrated on. Option A. November 26th. B. October 26th. C. October 16th. D. November 16th. Right option, C. Number 61, is responsible for transmitting signals from sensory receptors to the brain and spinal cord. Option A. Efferent neurons. B. Afferent neurons. C. Motor neurons. D. Relay neurons. Right option, B. Number 62. Which of the following is not a primary function of the kidney? Option A. Regulation of blood pressure. B. Removal of metabolic waste. C. Production of insulin. D. Maintenance of electrolyte balance. Right option, C. Number 63. Is the primary energy currency of the cell? Option A. Glucose. B. ATP. C. NAD. D. DNA. Right option, B. Number 64. Which of the following statements about oxygen therapy is true? Option A. It is used to treat hypoxia in patients. 2. It can be administered through nasal cannula or oxygen mask. A. I and 2 both. B. Only 2. C. Only I. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, A. Number 65. Which of the following is responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood? Option A. White blood cells. B. Platelets. C. Hemoglobin. D. Plasma. Right option, C. Number 66. Regarding sterilization techniques, consider the following statements. Option A. Autoclaving is the most effective method for sterilizing heat-resistant surgical instruments. 2. Ultraviolet UV radiation can be used for air and surface sterilization. A. I and 2 both. B. Only 2. C. Only I. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, A. Number 67. Which of the following statements is true regarding medical waste disposal? Option A. I. Infectious waste should be disposed of in yellow biohazard bags. 2. Sharp objects should be discarded in puncture-proof containers. A. I and 2. Both. B. Only 2. C. Only I. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, A. Number 68. Regarding infection control, consider the following statements. Option A. I. Hand hygiene is the most effective way to prevent hospital-acquired infections. 2. Disinfecting surfaces is necessary to prevent cross-contamination. A. I and 2 both. B. Only 2. C. Only I. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, A. Number 69. The outermost layer of the skin is called the. Option A. A. Epidermis. C. Hypodermis. B. Dermis. D. Fascia. Right option, A. Number 70. The normal range of respiratory rate in an adult is. Option A. A. 8 to 12 breaths per minute. B. 12 to 20 breaths per minute. C. 20 to 30 breaths per minute. D. 30 to 40 breaths per minute. Right option, B. Number 71. The primary function of hemoglobin in the blood is to. Option A. A. Transport oxygen. B. Fight infections. C. Regulate blood pressure. D. Assist in digestion. Right option, A. Number 72. Which of the following statements regarding blood transfusion is true? Option A. I. Blood groups must be matched before transfusion to avoid rejection. 2. Universal donors have blood group AB. A. I and 2 both. B. Only 2. C. Only I. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, C. Number 73. Which of the following statements is correct about wound healing? Option A. I. Infection can delay the healing process. 2. Diabetes has no impact on wound healing. A. I and 2 both. B. Only 2. C. Only 1. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, C. Number 74. The sinoatrial SA node is known as the. Option A. A. Blood pressure regulator. B. Natural pacemaker of the heart. C. Oxygen transport center. D. Blood filtration unit. Right option, B. Number 75. Which of the following is not a fundamental principle of intravenous regional anesthesia, IVRA, also known as a Beer's block? Option A. A. Using a double cuff tourniquet on the operative limb. B. Injecting local anesthetic into a vein of the isolated limb. C. Maintaining the tourniquet until surgical anesthesia is established. D. Releasing the tourniquet immediately after injecting the anesthetic. Right option, D. Number 76. To prevent decubitus ulcers in a bed-bound postoperative patient, the most recommended measure is. Option A. A. Turning and repositioning the patient every 2 hours. B. Applying warm compressors over bony prominences. C. Restricting fluid intake to reduce edema. D. Keeping the head of the bed elevated at all times. Right option, A. Number 77. For short endoscopic procedures, e.g., upper GI endoscopy, which sedation approach is most often used to keep the patient comfortable yet responsive? Option A. A. General anesthesia with intubation. B. Deep sedation with muscle relaxants. C. Conscious, moderate sedation. D. Completely no sedation. Right option, C. Number 78. Which pituitary hormone is primarily responsible for uterine contractions and the milk ejection reflex? Option A. A. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. B. Oxytocin. C. Prolactin. D. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. Right option, B. Number 79. Is the primary muscle group forming the pelvic diaphragm and providing support to pelvic organs? Option A. A. Quadratus lumborum. B. Psoas major. C. Levator ani. D. External oblique. Right option, C. Number 80. Regarding spinal anesthesia. Option A. I. It is injected into the subarachnoid space where cerebrospinal fluid is present. 2. It requires higher volumes of local anesthetic compared to epidural anesthesia. A. I and 2 both. B. Only 2. C. Only I. D. Neither I nor 2. Right option, C. Number 81. Parsec is the unit measurement of. Option A. Density of stars. B. Astronomical distance. C. Brightness of heavenly bodies. D. Orbital velocity of giant stars. Right option, B. Number 82. Dadasaheb Phalke Award is given for. Option A. Films. B. Drama. C. Social welfare. D. Literature. Right option, A. Number 83. With which country, India has the longest international boundary? Option A. Nepal. B. Pakistan. C. China. D. Bangladesh. Right option, D. Number 84. In which of the following market forms, a firm does not exercise control over price? Option A. Monopoly. B. Perfect competition. C. Oligopoly. D. Monopolistic competition. Right option, B. Number 85. The term, dribble, is used in which of the following sports? Option A. Baseball. B. Badminton. C. Tennis. D. Basketball. Right option, D. Number 86. Where is National Agroforestry Institute Center located? Option A. Agra. B. Jhansi. C. Kanpur. D. Lucknow. Right option, B. Number 87. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Option A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Dayanand Saraswati. C. Jyotiba Phule. D. Swami Vivekanand. Right option, A. Number 88. In a certain code language, milk is called as pure, pure is called as blood, blood is called as red, red is called as bird, bird is called as dry. Which color is used to show danger? Option A. Blood. B. Milk. C. Red. D. Bird. Right option, D. Number 89. Riya is younger than Ram. Kishan is younger than Ram but elder than Riya. Sandhya is elder than Sheetal and Ram both. Ram is younger than Sheetal. Among these five, who is the third youngest? Option A. Riya. B. Ram. C. Sheetal. D. Kishan. Right option, B. Number 90. Pointing to a woman in the photo, Keshav said that, it is a photo of the younger sister of my mother's only son's father. What is the relationship between the person in the photo with Keshav? Option A. Wife. B. Aunt. C. Sister. D. Mother. Right option, B. Number 91. In the following question below are given some statements followed by some conclusions based on those statements. Taking the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance from commonly known facts. Read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusion logically follows the given statements. Option A. Statements. I. All books are tables. 2. All chairs are books. Conclusions. I. Some tables are books. 2. All books are chairs. A. Only conclusion 2 follows. B. Only conclusion I follows. C. Both conclusion I and 2 follow. D. Neither conclusion follows. Right option, B. Number 92. In the following question, select the missing number from the given series. 2, 8, 14, 20, 26. Option A. 32. B. 30. C. 42. D. 36. Right option, A. Number 93. By selling an article for 156 more, Rajat earned a profit of 4% instead of a loss of 8%. What is the cost price of the article? Option A. 1196 rupees. C. 1400 rupees. B. 1352 rupees. D. 1300 rupees. Right option, D. Number 94. A man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. What is the present age of the son? Option A. A. 20 years. B. 25 years. C. 22 years. D. 24 years. Right option, C. Number 95. What is the primary purpose of RAM, random access memory, in a computer? Option A. A. Providing temporary storage for data that the CPU is currently processing. B. Providing long-term storage for programs. C. Storing permanent data and files. D. Managing peripheral devices. Right option, A. Number 96. When the sender and receiver of an email are on the same system, we need only user agents. Option A. A. 4. B. 6. C. 2. D. 3. Right option, C. Number 97. In computer registers, MAR stands for. Option A. A. Main access register. B. Memory access register. C. Memory address register. D. Main address register. Right option, C. Number 98. Which of the following is an example of the input device in a computer? Option A. A. Speaker. C. Printer. B. Touchscreen. D. Monitor. Right option, B. Number 99. Which of the following is not an example of web browser? Option A. A. Apple Safari. B. Opera. C. Facebook. B. Google Chrome. Right option, C. Number 100. What is the function of the cache memory in a computer's memory hierarchy? Option A. A. To control the flow of data between the CPU and memory. B. To provide permanent storage for data and files. C. To manage the allocation of memory resources to different programs. D. To store frequently used data for faster access by the CPU. Right option, D.
ভিডিওটি যদি ইনফরমেটিভ মনে হয় তাহলে লাইক শেয়ার ও সাবস্ক্রাইবও করে আমাদের সাপোর্ট করবেন।